Every living organism on this planet, from the tiniest bacteria to the largest mammals, shares a secret language that determines their very existence. A language made up of just 4 letters, A, T, C, and G. But what do these letters mean, and how do they hold the blueprint of life? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of DNA and uncovering its crucial role in heredity. Welcome to Dr. John's Amazing Videos channel. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the molecule that contains the genetic instructions for the development, functioning, growth, and reproduction of all known living organisms and many viruses. Imagine DNA as a long instruction manual, written in a special code. This code is what makes you, you. But DNA is more than just a biological instruction manual. It is the fundamental building block of heredity, the process through which traits are passed from parents to offspring. So how does DNA influence who we are? Let's find out. DNA is composed of 2 strands that coil around each other to form a double helix. Each strand is made up of nucleotides, which include a sugar group, a phosphate group, and a nitrogen base. The sequence of these bases, adenine, A, thymine, T, cytosine, C, and guanine, G, is what encodes genetic information. These bases pair up in a very specific way, A with T and C with G. This pairing is crucial for DNA replication, where the DNA makes an exact copy of itself during cell division. It's like copying a complex recipe, ensuring that each new cell has the same genetic information. DNA isn't just sitting in your cells doing nothing. It's actively at work, determining your traits through a process called gene expression. But how does this work? The process begins with transcription, where a segment of DNA is copied into RNA, a single-stranded molecule. This RNA then travels out of the nucleus and into the cytoplasm of the cell, where it is translated into a protein. Proteins are the molecules that perform a vast array of functions in your body, from building tissues to regulating chemical reactions. Different genes code for different proteins, which in turn influence various traits, such as eye color, hair texture, and even susceptibility to certain diseases. This is how DNA directly affects the characteristics that make you unique. So how exactly is DNA passed from one generation to the next? It all happens during reproduction. During the formation of eggs and sperm, known as gametes, DNA is packaged into chromosomes. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, with 1 set coming from each parent. During meiosis, these chromosomes undergo a process called crossing over, where they exchange genetic material. This results in a unique combination of genes in each gamete. When an egg and sperm unite, they form a zygote, containing a complete set of DNA, half from the mother and half from the father. This unique combination of DNA is why children inherit traits from both parents, but also why each child is genetically unique. But what if the DNA doesn't copy perfectly? Sometimes errors called mutations occur, leading to changes in the DNA sequence. While some mutations can be harmful, causing diseases or disorders, others can be beneficial, providing new traits that may be advantageous in different environments. This genetic variability is crucial for evolution and the survival of species. Mutations contribute to the genetic diversity within a population, which is essential for adaptation and evolution. Over time, beneficial mutations may spread throughout a population, leading to new traits and even new species. As we've seen today, DNA is more than just a molecule. It's the blueprint of life, the keeper of our genetic legacy, and the driving force behind evolution and diversity. It determines our traits, connects us to our ancestors, and shapes the future of all living beings. Understanding the role of DNA in heredity not only gives us insights into our own biology, but also helps us appreciate the incredible complexity and beauty of life. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the role of DNA in heredity. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Dr. John's Amazing Videos channel, and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like to explore. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.